In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your order history on the LL Bean website, an essential step for managing your purchases, checking on past orders, or simply browsing through the history of the items you've bought. Now, let's dive right in with the first step of this straightforward process. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. You just need to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Once your browser is open and ready to go, type in the URL doitlbean.com. This will take you directly to the LL Bean homepage where our journey begins. Next, you'll need to sign into your account. Look to the top right corner of the homepage where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on that. If you already have an LL Bean account, this is the time to enter your email address and password. It's important to use the email and password associated with your account to avoid any login issues. If you have trouble remembering your password, most browsers offer a password manager, or there is always the Forgot Your Password link to help you reset it. Once you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to your account details. At the top right corner of the page, you will see either your name or an icon indicating your account. Click there to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled My Account. This section is essentially your dashboard for all things related to your LL Bean account and is a valuable tool for keeping track of your interactions with the store. With the My Account page open, it's now time to delve into your order history. Find and click on the Orders section. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of your past purchases from LL Bean. Here, you can view individual order details, shipment tracking, or any specific information about your purchases. Exploring this section allows you to efficiently manage your buying history, check statuses, or initiate returns if necessary, making sure you stay organized and informed about your online shopping activities. And there you have it. Now you know how to access your order history on the LL Bean website. This simple yet powerful tool can enhance your shopping experience with LL Bean, providing a convenient way to keep track of what you've ordered and ensuring you are always informed about your purchases. Whether you're reviewing the details for an upcoming delivery or just curious about past transactions, this guidance will make it easy to find the information you need right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!